all she wrote. All right, Henry, come with me. This thing was fun to shoot, just really awkward.
I hate the charging handle.
Yeah, same as my Kui, right? It's just a little like nub. Going hot, and the safety's backwards. Back to you is safe. Oh no, that makes sense. Just a weird lever.
Here, hang on.
What? Oh, shit. Oh. Throwing?
Yeah.
Pull. Almost. Alright, give me one more. Pull. Try to just, not so high, just farther. Yeah.
Nice.
Pull.
No, it's not clicking it up. Probably won't because the action's halfway back. Yeah. You need a knife.
I got mine. Just
It's like the least dexterous charging handle ever.
yeah, right? Are you going, Ward? You're gonna get a shell right in the face now.
Yep. C-clamp that barrel, son.
Please do that, please. Yeah. It could also be the shitty bulk Remington ammo. I mean, it comes in like a loose box, right?